As the September 21st, 2024 governorship election in Edo State gets closer, a member of the ruling People Democratic Party, Mr. H0T, called on Edo citizenry to vote H0T. Moving on after this, we have the Edo State chapter of the Labour Party deny a trending online publication that they are in alliance with the All Progressive Congress for the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel. As we dey giving a back-to-back update information, as it is hot. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. As the September 21st, 2024 governorship election in Edo State gets closer, a member of the ruling People Democratic Party, Mr. H0T, called on the Edo people to vote H0T. He said that H0T is the only candidate that has simultaneously launched a manifesto that will productively engage the thoughts and consequent positive actions of Edo citizenry. He said there are supposed two major candidates. One, H0T of the PDP, who has unveiled a way thought out and manifestly transparent people-oriented governance with the electorate. On the other hand, there is the Oshomole-led Mondo Populo, who has hardly made any independent public appearance of his own, and much less to present his manifesto, if there was one, for public scrutiny and engagement. H0T said the existential width and the historicity of the choice before the electorate in the September 21st governorship election context cannot be underestimated. That H0T has simultaneously launched a manifesto that will productively engage the thoughts and consequent positive action of Edo citizenry. That from every strata of their society, the civil servant, the teacher, and the technocrats and market women, to the agriculture entrepreneurs, health workers, and labor advocates, the H0T's document titled Pathway to Prosperity for All is the digestible evolutionary blueprint of Edo People Assembly. So the manifesto brightly illuminates the contours of H0T, intellectual and pragmatic reflection, projecting the well-being and qualitative life collectively for the people. Adams said, if they no know, say H0T covenant gives respectable cognizance to fulfilling the basic need of Edo people, including enjoying good health, access to clean running water, and buoyant living wage. But the manifesto contemporaneously points in the direction of securing Edo's distinguished location in the global of the fourth industrial digital revolution. While Adams laments that Adams Oshomole Mondo Populo's APC is here to unveil a manifesto for Edo people despite just about 30 days to the election. He said that the plan of the duo is to tirelessly loiter and groove around the presidential villa with the pledge to secure the primature of the federal government to thwart the sovereign and sacred democratic will of Edo people. He said the unmistakable warning signs are all evident, including the current wave of arrest and harassment of PDP members. Adams added that Edo people with the unparalleled progressive still worship of Governor Godwin Obaseki have sojourned too far across the treacherous wilderness and safely crossed the Red Sea into the land of economic stability and prosperity, that no sane people want to regress into the decades of squander and recklessness, that the only guarantee for the unbroken continuity of the 8 years successful economy agenda is to hand the baton over to the steady and stable management hand of H0T. Osadebe house cannot be returned to open arena for political and economic plundering like in the Adams Oshomole era. But people don't be small water. That is why he's urging the people of Edo State to come out in mass and vote for Dr. H0T for governor of Edo State. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for staying to us. Please, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section below. Let's make it lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State chapter of the Labour Party has denied a trending online publication that they are in alliance with the All Progressive Congress for the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. The online report claimed that the alliance was orchestrated by the presidency. involving senior member of the party and the presidency. But the state publicity secretary of the party, SCÁङ T3R, in a statement on Thursday said that the allegation was baseless and a desperate attempt to tarnish the party candidate Olumide Akpata's reputations and undermine his candidacy. Some said ordinarily they would have ignored it because the author is insignificant, but for the sake of the innocent reading public, they are deemed to necessarily to set the record straight. That first, there is no truth in the claim that a secret alliance between Olumide Akpata and APC exists, that their candidate has consistently maintained his commitment to the Labour Party and its ideas. Some also say that Labour Party are denying receiving any sponsor from the APC or the presidency. The Olumide Akpata campaign is self-funded with the backing of loyal party members and supporters. That for the past 25 years, both the APC and the People Democratic Party represent darkness in Nigeria and Edo states. The Olumide Akpata is light that has nothing in common with darkness. The alleged late-night meeting with APC officials are false. The Akpata has been focused on his word-to-word campaign, engaging with Edo people, presenting his vision for Edo State. My people, they only end there. They also denied receiving $850,000 or 1.6 billion or any such fund from the presidency or APC. That their candidate campaign finance are transparent and accountable. My favorite small matter. That there was no manipulation of delegates as the Labour Party conducts the most free and fair primaries, devoid of any Godfather interference, where Akpata emerged as the clear winner. So, they urge the party members, the obedient family, and the general public to disregard this malicious allegation sponsored by the opposition and focus on the issue that matters. That Olumide Akpata remains committed to his promise of a better Edo State for all, and they will not be distracted by baseless rumors and smear campaign with Akpata and Kadiri that Edo State will be okay. So they should regard anything or any claim that a secret alliance is going on between APC and Olumide Akpata, that those claims does not exist. That whosoever that is telling them that APC is sponsoring Olumide Akpata with presidential funds, that is not true. That their campaign finances are transparent and accountable, and Olumide Akpata represents light. So he has nothing in common with darkness. My people of small baggy. Alright guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your next. Bye for now.